Hey friends, welcome to Techno World. In this video, we'll see how to crack the Tally software. To download the crack of Tally software, just follow this step. Browse onto the getintoppc.com. In the search menu, search for the Tally software. This is the first software. Download it from here. I have downloaded it. It will appear somewhat like this. Crack this one, extract, open the Tally app in 9, extract this one also, open this one, install the Tally as Run as Administrator. Click Next. Click Next. Select it as Others. Install it. Exit. Copy this one. Open file location and paste it over here. Replace the file destination and open the Tally as Run as Administrator. After doing this step, if you get a box where you have to activate your software, Tally software has activate button and enter the details in the description. Thank you for watching Techno World. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.